How to fix the First Descendant crashing on PC. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Start off by launching a Steam application in your preferred device. Make sure that you have installed the First Descendant with a verified software or browser. Now to play or initiate the First Descendant, tap on it, then verify your age for it. Once you are in the official page of the First Descendant in your Steam, you need to navigate on the setting gear option, which will be at the top. In here, select on the graphics option. You have to make sure to minimize the graphics to the lowest, so set it on low. After which, right-click on to your First Descendant, then click on Install Files and select on Verify Integrity of Beta Files. After which, it will verify the files and locate if there is any bug or the glitch issue. If none of this helps, you need to launch it as an administrator. For this, right-click on it once again, head over to Compatibility, then tap on Run this program as an administrator, then select on OK. If none of this method works, you actually have to try by restarting your device, or the last resort is to uninstall the game and reinstall it later. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.